Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have kitchen essential for anyone who loves cooking, meal prepping, or just needs an easy way to store their favorite sauces and snacks. We're talking about the best 5 OZ containers with lids, the VITEVER portion cups. These little gems come in a pack of 240, making them perfect for both personal use and larger gatherings. If you're tired of flimsy containers that leak or take up too much space, stick around because these might just be the solution you've been looking for. Let's talk about the design. Each cup holds 5.5 fluid ounces and is crafted from high-quality, food-grade plastic that's BPA-free. This means you can safely store everything from salad dressings to yogurt without worrying about harmful chemicals. The clear material also lets you see exactly what's inside, making meal prep easier than ever. One of the standout features of these containers is the leak-proof airtight lids. The lids fit snugly onto the cups, ensuring that your food stays fresh and doesn't spill, even when you're on the go. You'll hear an audible snap when the lid is securely closed, giving you that peace of mind. Whether you're packing lunch for work, heading out on a road trip, or prepping for a party, these containers have got you covered. Now, let's talk storage. These cups are stackable, which is a game changer in terms of space efficiency. Whether you're storing them in the fridge, freezer, or cupboard, they take up minimal room. Plus, the fact that they come in separate bags means you can grab just what you need without a hassle. The versatility of these containers is another major plus. They're not just for sauces. Use them for Jell-O shots, condiments, snacks, or even craft supplies. You can use them for meal prep, serving sauces at parties, or even storing small items around the house. I can't stress enough how useful these portion cups are. They are durable and crack-resistant, so you won't have to worry about them breaking or warping over time. This durability, combined with their compact size and versatility, truly makes them an essential item in any kitchen. Now, if you're planning a picnic or a family gathering, these cups make transport a breeze. Just fill them up, secure the lids, and toss them in a cooler or bag. No mess, no fuss. So, if you're looking for a practical, reliable, and cost-effective solution for your food storage needs, the VITEVER 5.5 ounces portion cups with lids are definitely worth considering. They're affordable, efficient, and truly designed with the user in mind. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe for more product reviews, and let us know in the comments below what kitchen items you'd like us to review next. Until next time, happy cooking!